How to find someone on Discord application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Discord application on your device. Once you do, you can simply go to any one of the server in which you are a member in and click on the search icon at the top right corner. Write @ and you can write the username easily from the common friend you want to add in a friend in Discord. After that, you can go to any one of the room in your server and you can add people from there as well. In different room, you can see different chat from people in the server. You can simply click on their profile icon and then you will see a window. Simply click on profile icon again and then you will see the option of add friend. Simply click on it and if they accept your friend, you will simply be able to make them friends on your Discord application. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to find anyone and make friends on Discord. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.